Hi friends, welcome to this new podcast where we talk about cryptocurrency. Today, it is the PayPal day. Okay, so I'm going to try to explain to you the kind of things you can do with this platform and how you can use it with the Coinbase platform, which we saw in the last podcast to make your crypto money and being able to spend it wherever you want to. But before doing that, we are trying to introduce you with some of the basic things you can do with this platform, because there are many more things than just using the platform with Coinbase, as you will see. Well, basically, this platform was created for giving us some security online, okay? So they are allowing you to pay for stuff over the internet with no need to share your bank account number or your credit card number, okay? So you can pay with the money you already have in this PayPal account, or you can just link your banking information to the platform, to the PayPal platform, and they will be asking you for your permission to use it in the purchases you can make online. But we will see all of it during the podcast, okay? So let's go. First thing, if you already have an account with PayPal, that is perfect. Maybe you can learn some more stuff about it or not. But if you haven't got it yet, the place to go is obviously paypal.com. Okay, or if you want to open the account just with your telephone, so you can go to Apple Store or the Google Play Store and install this app called PayPal, and it's as simple as that. I mean, opening the account is an easy process, and you can do it really quickly. When you're going to the website, even before logging or signing up, you will find some of the things you can do with the platform, like for example, sending money to someone else, or shopping with just one easy account, pay later with PayPal in 3, or looking for PayPal business accounts. But we will see many of those things during the podcast. So let's go to the beginning. I mean, the first thing I have to tell you is you can have a personal account with PayPal or a business account. They have different capabilities. You can do different things with them. And obviously, well, you can have both, because you can use the personal account for your stuff and you can use the business account for your business. And you can also have some options for developers, website developers. Because it's really easy, as we will see in a couple of minutes. Really easy to set up a payment platform in your website with just some lines of coding, without the need of knowing nothing about coding. You're just setting up the needs you have. And these guys, they are just designing for you the HTML code. They're giving you the code. You just put it in your website, and it's working straight away. Okay, so let's keep going. Well, one of the things I more like of this platform is the security. So once you have the account, before logging into your account, they are asking you to authenticate that you are who you are. It doesn't matter if you want to do it confirming using your PayPal app, or receiving a text, or having them to call you. But the main thing is they want to be sure the people who is opening the app or using the website in PayPal, it is the real owner of the account. Okay, so once you pass through this process, which is just a couple of seconds, you will go to the main page of your PayPal account, where you can see, as in here, you will see your balance, basically. you will see some square in yellow color, which is some information I'm blocking to avoid it will be just on the air because it's some personal information. You will see some of the recent activity in your account and some of the possibilities you've got right now with PayPal, like for example this thing, referring a friend. If you send 1p, so you and your friend, you will get £10, things like that. Some kind of offers they are doing sometimes. Honestly, I've been using this offer with some friends in Spain, and I have to tell you that they didn't send the money yet, okay? At the same time, I'm always saying that Coinbase and Ledger, the cold wallet company, they are very, very, very loyal with the customers and the commissions they are giving us. PayPal, honestly, this thing about sending you back these £10, I think this is not been working, at least not for me, not yet, okay? But obviously, if it's something apparently is going to be alive up until the end of this year. So, okay, we can try again. Or maybe you can try with your friends. I'm not going to bother, honestly, to send you a 1p because it has not been working for me. So I'm not going to take some more time to do that. Some more things you can do with PayPal. This honey thing, apparently, because I never use it either. There's some kind of vouchers online you can find in different companies, and when these vouchers are alive, PayPal apparently is applying for these vouchers automatically for you if you are using the platform for payment. So, well, it's another thing you can do with the platform, but honestly, I didn't check it. The main thing you can do with PayPal, it is sending money to people, family, friends, or companies where you are buying stuff from, okay? So the main thing of the platform is to do that, to send this money. You don't need to use credit card number or bank account number. The only thing you need is the name of the person, or the username, or the email address, or the mobile phone. Not all of them, just one of those things. So when you have the mobile phone number or the email address, this person have a link to the PayPal account, you just click next, and the money is with them in seconds, okay? This is as simple as that. Sometimes they are just even allowing these people to open a new account so they can receive the money you are sending. So it's really, really easy and useful, honestly. Well, something else you can do, which is very curious with this platform, it is just request some money from anyone else. Because sometimes, sometimes people is just forgetting they have to pay you something. So, well, with this platform, we have the choice to send them a message saying, hey, you remember this money you owe me? Please, just send it to me, please. So they are giving them the choice to open a PayPal account if they don't have one, or they can even pay sometimes with a credit card, debit card. So it's okay. It is another nice choice you can have with this platform. You can also, as we said before, link your credit card or your banking accounts to the platform. So if you, for example, want to make a purchase of some stuff which is £300 worth, and you just have £103 in the account of PayPal, like I have now, so you don't need to do nothing, because the platform, it will be asking you to pay the rest of the money from one of your accounts or one of your cards, okay? You don't need to do nothing. They are taking all the things they need to do. And it's really, really easy, really, really useful, because sometimes you just don't have the money in the place you want to have it. So they are just using the rest of the accounts to pay for the stuff. One thing I can tell you, this platform is absolutely secure. I never had a problem with them, with the accounts of the cards. And they are not here to steal our money. They are here just to make us to use that platform, which is the main business. So it's really secure. You're not going to have a problem with them. And if you have your accounts and cards, or some of your accounts or some of your cards linked to this account of PayPal, it will be really, really easy to go through one of these things. I mean, if in some occasions you have not money enough in the PayPal. Okay, as you can see in here, you can have not just British pounds in a PayPal account. You can have euros, US dollars, or many other currencies from other countries. So you can easily pay to other people or receive payments from other people in different coins. This is very useful when you are not really used to the change, or how much is the 10 pounds in dollars or 10 pounds in euros, things like that. Well, more things we can do with the PayPal account. Okay, you can send money to up to 90 different countries to a bank account. You can send money to pick-up locations in more than 110 countries, send gifts to the people, things like that. But I want to spend some more time explaining to you what is this money pools and PayPal.me profile. A money pool basically is like a vault, like a different account you can make when you have the PayPal account. You can just create a different one called money pool, and it will have a specific name for a specific process or a specific need you can have in this moment, and you can create as many money pools as you want. Basically, a money pool is that a vault where you can store some money, and you can send the address of this money pool to someone else. Okay, let's see. Let's say you are gonna make a party and you wanna purchase stuff for the party, let's say drinks or food or whatever, and you wanna share the expenses with your friends or family or whatever. The only thing you have to do is create one of these money pools. You're giving them the address for the money pool, and they just clicking in the link of the money pool, they just easily put in the money inside. So the person who was creating the money pool can spend the money as soon as they have it in here. It is very, very easy to do. It's for free as well, and it's very, very handy, honestly. Well, something else is very, very nice for me. It is the PayPal.me profile. So when you first open your PayPal account, you can set up your PayPal.me profile, which means basically it is a link you can send to someone else through email, WhatsApp, I don't know, Facebook, Twitter, whatever you want. In the way that when these people is receiving your link, the only thing they need to do is just click in this link, and they are automatically sending you the money you need. It's as simple as that. For example, I'm here doing this live streaming now. If I'm willing some people just supporting me with some donations or whatever, I could just put this link on the live streaming, or leave it in the description of the video on YouTube or whatever. So the people just clicking in this link and they are sending money to me. It's as simple as that. If they have PayPal account, it will be super fast. If they haven't got it yet, they are just giving them the choice to open a PayPal account and pay. Even sometimes they can pay with the credit or debit card. So it's very, very handy and useful things you can do with this platform. Sometimes you can have even some offers from different platforms, like for example now it's at 20% of Tonki, or 10% of Velasca, or 30% of car insurance with one call insurance. So there's many things you can do. It is not always the same. They are just changing some offers or some agreements with different companies. And here you have the summary of other things you can do. We already talked about Honey, because these Honey are the vouchers online. You can just reload your pay-as-you-go phone, or donate for any causes, or create these money pools we just talked about, send money abroad, etc., etc. But one thing we cannot forget is PayPal is the main platform for payment in the eBay transactions. So you can also go to the resolution center for any problem you can have with some payments or receiving some money, so they can help you to fix your problem. One more thing before going to the cryptocurrency. As I told you before, it is very easy going to this section of PayPal buttons and clicking here in manage. You just, in a couple of minutes, just giving them the parameters they need to use, they just create a HTML code so you can put it in your web page, and having these beautiful buttons working in minutes. Okay, so when someone is just clicking in here, you are just receiving the money for donations or payment for your services or whatever you need. So it's really, really, really easy and handy, this capability. Well, we are going now to Coinbase. If you remember from the last podcast, Coinbase is this platform where you can buy, sell, and exchange different kind of cryptocurrency. But the people who was asking me on the email address, Luis, how can we make this money? Okay, because yeah, it's okay having some DAIs in here or Bitcoin, Ethereum or whatever, but how can we spend this money? Okay, so look, we are going to portfolio in a Coinbase app. If, for example, I want to spend some of the DAIs I want here, I'm going to trade, and I can go to the sell DAIs for cash. So if you link your PayPal account with your Coinbase account, you will have in here just a choice. You can just put the money in the Euro wallet, in the GBP wallet, or in the PayPal wallet. And it's absolutely instantaneous, okay? Easy to do, as you can see, and really, really quick. If I'm hitting in the max, it will be £3.65. I went to the sell now, and they are giving me the choice, as I said before, to go to the Euro wallet, GBP wallet, or PayPal wallet. Sometimes they are charging you a small commission, like in this case 4p, which is nothing really, but most of the times they are not even charging you nothing. Okay, so it is a very, very useful way to spend your crypto when you have no other choice. And this is the main reason I think it's very, very nice to have the PayPal account when you are using cryptocurrency, at least with some platforms like Coinbase, which is using this capability. But it's not the only thing, because we have something coming in, okay? Look, now in the United States, people with PayPal accounts, they already can buy, sell, and exchange cryptocurrency inside the platform of PayPal. But it's not working yet outside of the United States. But as many, many tech platforms are doing, UK will be the first one out of the US to be able to use this capability. I mean, cryptocurrency inside the PayPal account and inside the PayPal platform. And this will be live in the first half of 2021. So we're talking about weeks from now, okay? So if they agree the plans they already have, in just a couple of months, we will be able to buy, sell, or exchange cryptocurrency inside the PayPal platform, which will be nice not just for us, but also for the price of the crypto. I think it will be skyrocketing again, because when, you know, a massive platform like PayPal is, we start using cryptocurrency for their operations, it will be a massive use of cryptocurrency, which means it will be again a rise of the price. So, well, basically this is everything I wanted to tell you about PayPal platform. Just I want to encourage you to open an account and use it, because it's not just for people using cryptocurrency. You can pay safely over the internet without sharing your details, just your email address or your telephone number. It's secure, it is handy, and you will be able very, very soon to make some stuff with cryptocurrency. So this is for the people that already have it. I guess you just learned that we will be able to use cryptocurrency very soon. For the people who is not having yet this account, I think it's time for you to go to paypal.com and opening the account, okay? So I guess I will see you again in the next podcast. Bye bye. Ciao.